All right, we're at the Lincoln building. Presumably that's when the mod is from. Lincoln's first high-rise, apparently. We got some modded Otis elevators. Very wood cabs. Used to have handles, but the bar broke off. Ooh, used to be signal control. Look at the lantern there. Oh, it doesn't work. I guess these were originally signal control. That's a signal control lantern. Stopping on 6. Going down?
Yep.
B?
Oh, not that far.
Have a good one.
You too.
Operational lanterns out here? Yeah, let's see if they work. Oh, this was where the old call station was. They don't. That's a shame the old lanterns don't work. We'll go to M. Dover phone? Is this a Dover mod? This might have been a Dover mod. No lanterns on this floor. No, I want to get out and get a picture on the floor where there's lanterns. Look at that. It's a shame those don't work. That's all.